bird got, looks like, must call him an eagle. I don't think that's a fish. Look at that damn thing. That thing must be a foot long. This is a blue heron. Got a good hold on him. Look at this cold Durant far in the morning. On he's beautiful. Yeah, we don't swallow that thing. I dropped him. Probably swallowed him. And here we have a whole flock of birds just waiting for a fish. One fish flew by there. A whole bunch of herons there standing here on the bank of the, here's the white ones. Here on the banks of the Edward Medard Reservoir, which is a about 1,000-acre lake out here. And you can see the far shore way over there. But these birds foam there. Been a little winded last night, and the breakers stirred up the foam. So here we find another bird here. Oh yeah, there he is. He's saying what to eat that eel. And you can see a lot of birds out here. A lot of times you see them catch a fish and they'll just play with them for quite some time. Even bring them up here on the bank and lay them down and play and pick them up again and keep on playing with them. There's a weeding out there in the water a little ways. These beautiful white ones, they don't get as big as the blue ones though, most of the time. That flock is full away, looks like. There's a couple of them way over there. Nothing like bird watching out on the beautiful Edward Medard Reservoir downtown. Beautiful Durant, Florida. How sweet it is. Speaking of birds, look at this. Wild turkeys. Right down the road from them. And they got the fantails out. Must be romancing a pretty little turkey chick down there somewhere. We're getting ready to fight. And it's too cold to fight, really. 48 degrees out here this morning. Beautiful downtown Durant, Florida. Which is cold for Durant, even in the winter. These things just standing here. We got usually there'll be a flock of them around. But I only see these two here. So they must be facing off against each other. And you can tell a tom turkey by that thing hanging down from his breast. A little tiny. I don't even know what it is. It's like a little feather, but there's something just hanging down there. And they are beautiful birds when they see it. See them with them fans like that. But he's one showing his ass to the other one. So I guess they're not in the mood to fuck or fight. I'm gonna say a couple of queer birds. Huh. Oh, don't tell me. Well, one put his feathers down. He may be the queer one. What's this world coming to? Queer turkeys on the loose in Durant. Tell me it ain't so. These birds are coming up closer. Guess I should have called them gay birds, not queers. Queer is derogatory, they say. Back in my day, they didn't know what gays were. They called them queers. So, but I understand now that some of these especially lesbians want to be called queer. Queer girl. Well, okay. That's what we'll do. If we see lesbians. But these here tom turkeys, I think. What? Here. Did you hear it? I think I heard them. One of them squawking down there. Yeah. Doing that turkey talk. And the turkey walk. Yeah, you can see it. They have them things hanging down off the chest and then also down off their beak. Yeah, one of them wants to keep his feathers up all the time. You know, they must be, I think it takes a little energy to keep them feathers spread out like that. But, oh yeah. Oh, 2 tom turkeys in the morning. Usually about a flock, about a dozen in the flock out here. And I do believe I see some on down the trail there. There's a couple down there. Maybe their girlfriends. Which, if they got girlfriends, means they ain't gay. But what the hey? Yeah. Yeah, I guess he's a couple of the good guys at sunrise out here. Good guys at sunrise. Yeah, I've done awesome out here. I don't know what's going on here. I'm pointing right at him. Can't see him. I can hear him. God damn. The camera must have went blind. Phew. This thing needs... Oh, there they are. Okay. I thought I was going to have to do an attitude adjustment on it. Don't hate to have to do these attitude adjustments on the camera. Used to have to do that with my wife.